What's up YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. My buddy Devan dropped off his 2020 Ram 1500 Classic to me today to go ahead and put on a trailer hitch for him. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys a little bit of the installation process while also having a little bit of fun. So step number one, you want to go ahead and put this removal tool inside of here to go ahead and drop the spare tire. This is going to drop your spare tire just to make it a little bit easier on yourself trying to get the bolts out. So now, once we have the spare tire dropped, we have to crawl underneath here. We have to remove these bolts right here on this support beam that leads to over here. So we first have to take out these bolts over here, which line up with these bolts over here on this side, and we have to put new bolts right over here on this one as well so the hitch can hang. So once you have this fish wire lead onto this bolt, this backing plate, you want to go ahead and put it into this hole right here. Pull it down. Now you're in place. So this is the hitch. What we're gonna do is go ahead and put that original bolt through here like this, and then the one we just put up with the fish wire will go down through here. So while you're going to mount it, I'd recommend putting the fish wire through this hole first, and then putting that through there, and then the original bolt goes here. So this is what it looks like once you have it hanging on its own. We took off the fish wire, the nut is now on the bolt. So now for the centered support brackets, we want to go ahead and take our fish wire, throw it through this tube and put this end out. Once you have it to this, then we're going to go ahead and put a bolt and washer on this side, and then it'll run through here and then match up to this hole for the support. So now the bolt has the fish wire on it with this backer plate, and now we have to string it through here, get it to that hole. So now we've got these nuts on the bolts. We're going to go ahead and tighten up these right here, and then come back to these and then tighten up these last. Just went ahead and tighten it up, and that's how you do it. And I totally forgot we got to put the spare tire back up. All right, now it's in the hole. And we're going to tighten this. Get that hook here. This is the finished product. Got our hitch now. There's no more of that garbage top load stuff. You can see where they jackknifed it. But there's the hitch. ETrailers.com. If you guys are interested in a hitch like this, it will not be the link in the description because they didn't sponsor us, and we had to spend $200. So F you, ETrailers. If you guys enjoyed this installation video on the 2020 Ram 1500 Classic, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment down below, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned.